Good morning, KI. It's Tuesday, December 4th. I'm Christian.
I'm Peter, and here's your Buck Report. The senior meeting is today in the Media Center at 2:40. This is the final meeting for input on senior t-shirt design.
Seniors, the Naviance Refresher course being offered by Guidance is tomorrow.
This course will provide help with the college application process and identifying scholarship opportunities.
There's a SAD meeting Thursday after school in room 110. All SAD members need to wear their black SAD t-shirts on Thursday.
Seniors, if you did not have your picture taken with LifeTouch, you must submit the senior portrait or have your portrait taken here at school this week.
A schedule for all of those that still need their portrait taken will be posted next to the attendance office. See Mrs. Mims if you have any questions. Auditions for the Spring Play Fools will be held Thursday and Friday. You only need to attend one audition and no prior experience is necessary.
This will be a cold reading, so just show up. Any questions? See Mr. Reagan. Show your holiday spirit by bringing in a new unwrapped toy to help children of less fortunate families.
You also get great service learning credits for donating. Remember to cast your vote for the No Shave November contest to determine which teacher had the best beard.
It's 50 cents per vote. All proceeds go to Relay for Life team to support cancer research.
Johnson's will be here on December 11th to deliver class rings and to take senior graduation orders.
This Friday, Reading for Success is at Mattapique Elementary. It's the last one of this semester.
Have a great day, KI.